Okay. Good morning for everyone. Thank you for all of you to joining with us today for the session of the TSTH ERFX introduction. On behalf of Tata Steel Thailand, we would like to thank you for you all to continue to support us with a very good product and service. And with the technology implementation, we decide to change our process of the request for quotation or request for information and request for proposal to be the based on the electronic platform. For the session today, we will introduce you all for our new system, and we also have our member to support this event, คุณจารุวัฒน์ and คุณสิริพันธ์ okay, and from the other side we also have the buyer team from MRO and from many departments of the procurement division of Tata Steel Thailand also join this event today. Okay. Okay, next is this page will show about the agenda for today's event. First, we will introduce the ERFX function and the as is and to be process. After that, we will show the email invitation to all suppliers to be the participate in the ERFX event, how to log in the system and the basic function, and after that we will share you the application on the line app and the email support that you can send any issue that you have with the system to us, and the last is the question and answer. During the meeting, if someone cannot hear us clearly, you can also use the chat in the function to let our team know your issue. Okay. Okay, as you may know that this is the cycle of the procurement cycle. We will start normally with the requirement from our plant side. They have the requirement of the material of the spare part, and after that the requirement will go to the procurement function to create the request for quotation, request for information or proposal. This step our request will go to the supplier. The ERFX platform will implement mainly at this step, and after that, after you all submit the response to us, we will also do the evaluation and award through the ERFX system platform also. And after that, we still do the same. After we award, we will send you the official PO. The process of issue and send the PO to you will not change, it will remain as the previous. So that means the process of the change will be only in the request for quotation process. Okay, mainly for the ERFX platform currently for us, we separate into two parts. The first part is the RFX. RFX means request for proposal, for quotation, for information, and another part is the online option. Okay, this slide will show you the left side, the as is the current process that we do to request for quotation for you all. Currently, we use the email sent to you with the technical specification, quantity, delivery term, and after that you may reply to email or discuss for the negotiation with the phone call, and after that send the confirmation to us through email. This is our current process, but in the future, for the to be process, we will move all of this into the online platform on the cloud basis. You can access to the system and do the quotation, do the confirm specification, and you can know the timeline of the event or timeline of the period that you can submit the quotation to us. This is combined in the ERFX platform. So that means in the summary, we will move all of this communication to be in one platform of the ERFX. Okay, this is the notification email that will send to you for the notification when the buyer create the RFQ. Normally, in our current process, when the buyer create the RFQ, they will send the email to all of you and ask for the offer. But in the ERFX system, the email is only the notification that will let you know, okay, that is the event request you to offer. But in terms of the offer, you have to click on the link and log in into the system and offer to the system. In the login, you can use in the web browser platform like Chrome or the Firefox. Okay, this is the user interface that show the page when you click with the link. Okay, there will be a username and password to log in into the system. And our system is currently we use the platform of the GEP Smart. Okay, and after that, after you log in into the screen, first you will see the basic detail of your company, like the company logo. You can add the picture, the parent company, the location, the certificate that you have, like the ISO 9001 or the other standard, or the certificate that you have, the contact information, the business information. Okay, after that, you will see the summary of the request for quotation that you have with us. That means if you are supply to us with many type of the product and may contact with the different buyer, this is will show in the one page of the summary for the event, and they are separate by the category, like the event that already awarded to you and the event that okay you are still pending to respond in the progress, something like this. Okay, the next page will show that okay with the first event, after you click to this event, the request for the bearing. The first step before you can join the event to offer to us, firstly you have to click the accept guideline. The accept guideline means there are two major guidelines of us. The first one is the NDA, the non-disclosure agreement, and the second one is the Tata Code of Conduct. Okay, and you click select on both and click accept the guideline. Okay, after that you can see the basic detail of the event, like the event name. Okay, this is the request price for the bearing, and the location to supply, the business unit or the buyer contact information, and also there is the timeline. Okay, to show that, okay, how many days that you have to offer to this event. If over the deadline, okay, you can see the event, but you cannot do any offer to this event. Okay, after you see the detail of the event, if you are interested to offer to this event, okay, you select with the my organization would like to participate and click the confirmation. After you confirm that your organization would like to participate with this event, okay, you can access to the questionnaire to answer the question, and you can access to the price sheet. Next slide will show the sample of the questionnaire. The questionnaire may contain with the many type of questionnaire. Okay, with this slide we show the basic of questionnaire that we ask you for the certificate that you have. But in terms of the technical, there also have the many type of questionnaire that we will put to ask you for to evaluate the technical specification. And for some product, we may ask for the shelf life or the safety concern, something like this. This is for the part of questionnaire. Okay, after you complete the questionnaire, okay, you click save and done. It will go to the next step of the price offer. The price offer mean instead of you send the quotation to us, you just put the price into the table for the item. There are many items in the price sheet that, okay, you see, and you put your offer price in this table, and after that you click done. In our system, some offer you may have in terms of the drawing or the backup calculation. You can also use this function of the supplier attachment to submit to us with the many format of the file, like the PDF or Excel or Word. And after you complete this, you submit the response to us. Okay, this is will show that, okay, you already submit the response. During the period that you submit the response, if you have any doubt or more clarification for the request for quotation or request for proposal, there is the function show in the screen in the right side for the discussion forum. Discussion forum means instead of you exchange the information through the email when you have any doubt or more clarification. In our current process, you send the email to us to ask a question to both the user from our side in steel pan or for the buyer in the commercial term. But in this platform, we will move all of the communication to discuss in the discussion forum function in this event. The discussion forum will have the box that you can input the text or the question or the attached file that you need the clarification from our side. And this is will send directly to the buyer who create the event. There are many discussion forum with many suppliers in the same page, but it will separate by each of supplier. That means, for example, the supplier at A cannot see any question or any response that the supplier B sent to the buyer. Only the buyer can view the response of the all supplier. And this function will also request the answer from the user from hand side to join with this event by the discussion forum. Also, they will answer the technical clarification in this function also. After you complete this, okay, you can click close. It will go and send notification to the buyer to see that, okay, for this event, there is the supplier have the question and need the answer. Okay. Okay, I think that's all from the overview of the ERFX function today. In the next step, when we plan to go live and implementation, we will have the manual and we will have the detailed training and give the user to all of you to access and try how to put your offer to the system. This section is would like to tell you in the overview level and to let you know, okay, this is the direction that we gonna go within 1 or 2 months. For the communication to us, okay, if you have the question, you can click the icon of the left hand, the left hand, okay, and after that, my team will unmute the mic to you and you can ask us the question, or you can add the line by scan the QR code. They are our team to answer the question to you. And also you can send the email to us. For the line app through line application, we will continue to use this as the channel to communicate and to solve your problem when we go live and implement this system. Okay, I will stay with this page. If somebody have the question, we are happy to answer your question.